You're kidding. It's too late. Come. Now you are shy.
It's for the movies. Me, I'll have that board say action.
Welcome to this Neistat inspired airplane review. I'm PMHK. Obviously, if you guys not subscribed to the channel, make sure you give a sub and give a like to this video. So in this video, we're going to be looking at quick, unofficial, comprehensive airplane review, which is going to entail of where I'm sitting, as well as the food and the toilet. So let's start with where I'm sitting, the seat itself. So this is the entertainment area. As you can see, it's really old. This doesn't work. Old remote. If you press the button here, it comes out with the line. Yeah, that's about it. And this one also comes out, but it looks like it's going to fall if I force it out. And you have the area where you put your food. This is still sturdy, so that's a point for the area you put the food. Since this is an economic class, the spacing down there is really not the best. Because there is so for you guys to see properly. This is the spacing. I'm quite tall, so obviously I'll be a bit uncomfortable here.
Longer than a few minutes later.